So now as you look forward, what's exciting you personally? Like, if you think about the next 2, 3, 5 years of where healthcare security is going, actually really gets you fired up and ready to go in terms of industry and healthcare security.
We do deeply care about the industry, and it's personal. My wife, my daughter, they're both in healthcare. So it's very personal to be a part of this industry. And so my answer will reflect that. What gets me most excited actually is the legislation. Sometimes there has to be something behind you to make you move. There has to be some risk to make you move. So I would say legislation as a country, we are trying to get our arms around it. We're only up to like 11 or 12 states now, and all of that has happened since I've been a part of healthcare security. So I'm happy to see that progress. I'm happy to see it make it to the federal level and almost get approved. Now, for you and I, selfishly, that means more people need to talk to us eventually. But again, as people with loved ones in healthcare, we want it to be taken seriously. We want to be sure that the most vulnerable among us, that's you and I when we're there, that's our loved ones when we're there to provide care, the most vulnerable among us, their security is top of mind.